I'm doubting my dreams. I have all these fears that they will not come true. All these doubts and fears swirling in my mind. It feels overwhelming. I feel like my dreams are too big. It's going to require so much from me to make it happen. I don't know where to begin. I just know that I desire this dream. Even though I have all these doubts about my dreams, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. I have this belief that my dreams are just fantasies, not realities. I acknowledge these feelings and uncertainties. I acknowledge these fears and doubts. And I'm open to letting them go. This fear of dreaming big, it's been holding me back. What if I can release this fear and remove this block? With each tap, I gently let them go. And my dreams are not too big for me. They're my dreams for a reason. It proves that there is a future version of me who's already living this dream. And honestly, if my dreams do not scare me, that means I'm not dreaming big enough. That means I'm playing safe. I am done playing safe. I'm learning to step out of my comfort zone. I deserve to dream big. I'm not shooting for the stars. I'm going straight to the moon. These dreams within me are waiting to be seen. So I'm choosing to believe in my dreams. And most importantly, I choose to believe in myself.